I'm also involved in funerals on the Sunshine Coast over the last years as a celebrant, and I have a business called Better Funerals, and Better Funerals to me is all about remembering people the way they lived. So if someone was a surfer, remembering them perhaps with a memorial service at a beach, or a fisherman at a boat ramp, or out at a paddock or on a mountaintop, and it's remembering people the way they live their lives, and I think it's a great opportunity to say goodbye in that form. Love to be involved with you guys if that's something that you need.